Alright, so this is my cat tree that I rescued from the side of the road. One of our neighbors decided to put this outside after the last hurricane we had, and it was in excellent condition, basically nearly brand new. And my cats have gone to town on this, and so this twine is coming apart and it looks very tattered. And they've also put a hole in this cardboard cylinder piece right here, as well as this one down here. So I am going to glue this over this hole so that it's, try to do this with one hand. So I'm going to remove the remainder of this and then bring this around and hot glue it with my glue gun that's in this case, and sort of cover up this hole so that I can re-twine it with this that I purchased on Amazon. I think I'm going to need another package of this. I'm not sure yet. This is only 30 feet. I believe it's only 30 feet, and I probably will need more of this, but I will find out soon whether I need to purchase any more of it. But yeah, the cats have done quite a job of destroying this. So I'm going to do the first steps in trying to repair this for them. hyperlapse, which is sort of a fast forward type video. So I knew this was going to take a little bit of time to do. It didn't really take me as long as I thought it was going to, but this portion of it is still good. So I re-glued the little tail end that was hanging from the bits that I had cut away, and I have it glued in the back so that you can't really see it. But my new twine that I purchased is a little bit thicker and darker in color, but that's okay because now they have something to scratch their nails on, and the glue gun worked quite well. I went through 3 glue sticks to get to this point. So I have a fair amount of twine left, not enough to do this portion down here. I don't think I have enough. I might, because if you look at down here, I need to cut away this portion, but if you see down here, this is actually still in pretty good shape. So I'll probably do the same thing here that I did here, and that is keep this portion and just add new up here. So I'll reinforce this with a cardboard piece, a thin cardboard piece, and then leave this, trim away the old, and then add the new twine to this section here, and then they should be all set to go again with their cat tree. So it's not perfect, certainly not perfect, but it's not bad. It's not bad for an amateur. So, all right, that's step 1. All right, I am back and I'm about to start phase 2 of the cat tree repair. And this is the next portion that needs to be worked on. So I'm going to, I already trimmed off this is what's left of it, the twine, the original twine that came with the cat tree, and I'm going to use the remainder of what I have from what I put up here. I'm going to do down here in this section. So hopefully I will have enough for that. But I'm going to glue this tail onto here and keep that stationary, and then I'll start wrapping. I'm not going to reinforce this one because they have not put a hole in there, but I'm going to clean off some of these bits that are starting to peel away. But we're going to see if I can finish this project this afternoon, and then I will show you what the final product looks like. So hopefully these cats will appreciate my efforts in trying to repair their cat tree so I don't have to go buy another one. Not yet anyway. So, all right, I'll be back shortly. Their cat tree, and this is the first portion that I worked on. It is by no means perfect at all, but it is important if you decide to do this to keep, so I have a little space right here, but to keep these as close together as possible and tightly wound. And then the second part is down here. Again, this is the original, and here's the part that I just did. So stepping back and away from it doesn't look half bad. Really don't think the cats are going to mind it too much. But anybody can do this, and a lot of times people throw out cat trees because this part gets destroyed by the cat. And if you have remnant carpet pieces and a glue gun and some scissors or a knife, you can cut pieces of carpet and replace this with carpet or twine like I did. So it'll help save you some money, so you don't have to go buy another cat tree. You can just do an easy repair on your own. This second part took me maybe 5 minutes, if that. So, all right, just a quick video on cat tree repair.